painted night, and the whole bay moving slow. Pull up, don't rush, let the whole world hush. Palm trees bend for us, get it tied, no, what's up? One more turn and we close. You can feel that summer soul. Say my name when the bass is low. We already halfway home. Ride to the bay, ride to the bay. We don't need much, just this cold day. Ride to the bay, ride to the bay. If you with me, baby, we can stay. Ride to the bay, ride to the bay. Ride to the bay, ride to the bay. Moon on the water, we fall. Window down, let it all pour in. Late night fish spot, paper plate laughing. Why the soft wind spin? I seen hard days crack wide. Seen a gray turn to blue again. But when you sing that line, girl, it feel like the first summer I knew then. Pull up, don't rush, let the whole world hush. Palm trees bend for us, get a tide, know what's up. One more turn and we close. You can feel that summer soul. Say my name when the bass is low. We already halfway home. Ride to the
What's your zip code? 94.
Well, this is like the first time it's actually left within a mile radius of the house. We just got it put together. So I had to switch the brakes out. The caliper I had was too small, so we were still in the test phase. But this one's actually registered as a moped.
Okay.
Now I need some sort of cracker that I can eat with.
Cracker?
Yeah, Hanson,
You gonna go Hanson's?
Farmer Market.
You gonna go farm market first? That thing is a big plug.
Lilac. Yeah.
Taking the key.
Yeah.
All right. So we officially have a grocery bag. All right. What is that all about? All right. So here you. That part. Okay. I think tying it would be best. Make sure nothing comes out. Put it on the rack. Excuse me. Thank you very much. Hello. How's it going? I brought my friend the camera today. This is the snot out of it. And then now you better drink it.
Where did juice come from?
The orange.
I know. I don't see juice yet. So the juice in the middle?
It's in there.
Oh, that's cool.
Slices it.
Now I'm going to have to buy one of these things. Thanks.
That's the real orange.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
You got a grocery getter?
Yeah, I made a little clip on it in a rack. So that's why it's not finished wired yet, but we're going to see if we can haul a load.
So cute.
With this thing here.
You want to try to sit on it?
What's that?
You want to try to sit on it?
For people, it's North Mini Bikes. I make gas ones, all kinds of stuff.
I like that.
Get off that seat though.
Here, you twist a little bit, it's gonna go.
I'm sure it's like a battleship. Pretty much.
Break on your
Pretty
left.
long, but
Oh my god.
it's still hosed on.
Those are sweet.
You want to try it?
That way I can say, yeah, I spent it. Wasn't that much. You know, everybody's interested instead of, you know. I mean, I have some that'll upset you, but, you know. That
Yeah,
one I
these
have
are
to leave,
great,
like,
you
make
guys.
sure how to come and
Oh
inspect
my
it,
God.
put plates on it and everything. So. But these ones, this one's registered as a moped, but this is like the trial run for this one. It just got finished. So I say it's not finished wired or nothing because it'll have headlights or anything.
Was it on it?
Get the frame. Did you
I make it. I build them all. That one and this one. I built several. I've got some all over the United States. It's a hobby.
I mean,
Yeah,
it can go
yeah,
fast
yeah,
if you
it's got,
want them
so
to,
you
you know,
don't have the
uphill
turn
here and
signals, all
there.
that stuff. It's just not wired up. We're
I've
just
never
trying to
saw
see
these
what
new.
bolts I didn't
Yeah.
lock tight, basically. Because the first couple runs, it'll definitely let you know. So, North Mini Bikes on YouTube, there's 500 videos on there. There's all kinds of
There's
goodies on there.
gas and electric.
Well, I got. Well, I'm hoping this is all I need is this thing, because you know your legs
Oh,
are
yeah.
right
yeah.
there. You know what I mean? So,
Oh, yeah.
you know, let's squeeze them in there. Well, that's what we're doing. We're like, God, do we need a strap? You know what I mean?
Right.
We're trying to figure
Test
it out.
ride.
Here, you
I
guys
mean,
sit on this.
everybody, that all the locals are on scooters or,
Yeah.
or electric
Well,
bikes
they
or that
don't bother
three-wheeler one
anybody.
that I saw.
And we can talk. You know what I mean?
Right.
We're riding along. Hey, look at that. You know, it's cool instead of rah. You know what I
Right.
mean? It's just kind of pisses everybody off like
I mean,
this.
we
You know,
could-
they're not bothering anybody. You know,
Right.
so
So,
I'd have to
Can't-
drive there.
like,
want to
load
travel. I've lived all over the world.
I know, but I
driving.
mean, you can make
If-
it killing.
If he can have a day off.
Well, we're in
damn.
cahoots with Sherwood Manufacturing in Northport. So the next one I'm building actually is going to be a lot like this, electric, a little bit smaller motor because you don't need that. But mag wheels, and I'll probably do it like, you know, a more modern paint job type thing, so it would look not like them ones that just went by.
Right.
You know, a little more meaner, you know, a little more
Right.
attitude in there. So,
Right.
and they'll do 55, 60 mile an hour. It's a
I
good
love your
time.
gold chain, too.
They're cool.
Oh yeah, gotta get the fat gold chain.
Thank you for the sandwich.
Thank you.
You know, it's the kind of habit. Yeah, 3 centimeters deep in this motherfucker. 3 centimeters deep, make a hater go softer. So soft, deep in this motherfucker. One more bite, then we back for another. Turkey on rye and the bacon on top. Mayo on the side when the heat don't stop. Got that crunch in the bite, got that sauce on drip. Got my whole team smiling with a foil rack grip. On the star line, but we move like pros. Everybody staring when the tray get low. Said who ate last? I said me and mine. 3 semis deep and we feeling fine.
Shorty pass it. Tell the homie grab it. If you know, you know. It's the kind of habit.
Yeah, 3 semis deep.
In this motherfucker.
3 semis deep, make a hater go softer.
So soft. In this motherfucker.
One more bite, then we back for another. First warm day to the last plate clean. We the loudest crew on the picnic scene. Red in the air, let the whole world see. 3 semis deep in the waves, they see.
Deep in this motherfucker.
3 semis deep, make a hater go softer.
So